Hi guys, welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got these tasks UI because I auto-saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. Today is day 31 of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. We will see Git Stash task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. Before reading the task, let me give you a brief intro about Git Stash. So Git Stash is one of the features in Git, which will help us to work simultaneously on multiple things at a time. With the help of Git Stash, we can temporarily save our work and come back later doing whatever work that we have to do on immediate basis. Still, we will not lose any changes or any things that we did earlier. So that's why we use Git Stash. And the Nutless application development team was working on a Git repository /user/src/kodekloud repos/games present on storage server in status DC. One of the developers stashed some in-progress changes in this repository, but now they wanted to restore some of the stashed changes. Find below more details to accomplish this task. Look for the stash changes under /user/src/kodekloud repos/games git repository and restore the stash with stash@1 identifier. Further commit and push your changes to the origin. Alright, by default we are in the jump host and we need to do this task on storage server. So let me click on this details of all users and servers button here on top right and search for the storage server. This is the one. So Natasha is the username, STSTOR01 is the server name, and this is the password. Let me copy the password. Come back here. SSH username is Natasha, @server name is STSTOR01. Enter, type yes and paste the password. Enter. Let me become the root user. Sudo su space hyphen and then paste it. Let me clear the screen. So let me go to this particular path. This is where our Git repository present. So now let me do the ls-l. Now first let me check what are all the stashes that we have. Git stash list. So as of now we are having two stashes, that is stash @0 and @1. We need to restore stash, right? So for that let me do the git/apply stash @. So whatever they mention, let me enter it. See changes to be committed. Now let me do the git status. We can able to see one of the file to be committed. So we need to commit it and push your changes to the origin. So first let me commit it. Git commit -m. So let me type, since they did not mention any specific message to be given while we are committing, I'm going with the applying stash. Your wish, whatever you wanted to give, that you can give it as a commit message. And now if I do the git status and working tree, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. So there we need to push one thing. Let me do the git push origin master. So here they mention, right, we need to push to the origin. So I don't know what are all the branches that we have here. Let me do the git branch. Okay, only master. So git push origin master. It is pushed. Let me do the git status. Yeah, working tree is clean. Now let me do the git stash list. Still we should be able to see 2 because we did not pop it, right. So whenever we do the git stash pop, that time only the stash will be removed. We just applied one of the stashes that we have. That's it. We did not remove any of the stashes. So that is the reason. Even if you are applying this stash, still we can able to see 2 stashes here. Now as we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.